hello and welcome back to Just Order Things, only on TechnoWizards TechieTube. Hope you are safe during this pandemic. In this video, we are going to see about the human detection using PIR sensor. Let me explain about the PIR sensor. A passive infrared sensor has two slots covered by a Fresnel lens, and when a warm body crosses, it detects that human or animal has passed through it. We know the concept and we are going to work on it. Okay, let's start. So the components required are PIR sensor, Arduino board, any Arduino board, and ABC bus cable and jumpers and breadboard if necessary. So let's assemble. So I've taken the PIR sensor and there are 3 ports in the sensor. As we can say, there are 3 ports, namely VCC, ground and the sensor pin. So for this video I'm using an Arduino Uno to control the sensor's values, and you can use any other Arduino board that is available in the market. And I'm taking LED for my sensor value detection, and I use jumper wires and breadboard for my connections. It's not a problem to use the breadboard, and you can see the Arduino bus cable, ABC cable. And let's start. So I'm taking an Arduino and I'm giving the 3 ports, that is VCC, ground and sensor value. We have 3 ports in the sensor as said, and this VCC is given to the 5 volt, ground is given to the ground port of the Arduino, and the sensor pin is given to any digital port of the Arduino. So talking about this sensor, a PIR sensor is very much useful in nowadays applications like maintaining social distance in some crowded places, for example banks, ATMs, markets or in queues. So this sensor can be applied in various applications nowadays, and it is very useful to keep the public in a safer way. So probably in the next video we'll be explaining about all the types of sensors that are available in the market, and about its function of its construction, its working and everything about the sensor A to Z. So we'll be stay in touch with the channel for more updates on the videos. So as I said, I have interfaced both the sensor and the Arduino by connecting VCC and ground and sensor pins to it. So now I am inserting an LED into the 13 and ground pins of Arduino so that I can code my program in order to get a LED output based on the sensor's value. After I have interfaced both the sensor and the Arduino board, I am going to code the Arduino board based on my sensor's values and to blink the LED when my sensor detects a warm body or a human. I have done my code. I am uploading it to the Arduino, so I am plugging in my ABC cable. So the code for this project is available in the description, and you will be directed to our blog site where you can see the project details, components required, the whole details of this project, and you will be given many more updates on the blog site also. So I would like to visit the blog site regularly, and you will be updated with the thing. So here my LED is not working actually, so you can't get a blink, but you can see the Arduino light is blinking, so that I take my hand and keep it so thereby the sensor values are detected by the Arduino and is given to as an output to the 13th pin of this Arduino. Hope you like this video, and if you do so, like, share and comment, and do tell us on what topics we need to do videos and all. We have our Instagram, Facebook and Twitter pages also. Please visit that too. It is available in the description, and do subscribe and stay tuned to our TechnoWizards TechieTube YouTube channel. Until we meet next time, it's Lakshit Saran signing off. So stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, do the vaccination. Thank you guys. Bye.